Hello students, in this video I am going to talk about the pin diagrams of various different logic gates. Let us start with the same. The first IC is 7408. So this is the IC number of AND gate. AND gate IC consists of total 14 pins. So first of all let us start with the same. So this portion is known as notch. We always start counting the pin numbers from the notch. So this portion is known as notch. Just below the notch, pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we are going to follow the anti-clockwise direction 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This is how we always start counting the pin numbers. All the ICs must have even number of pins. So here we have total 14 pins. So pin number 7 is first of all connected with ground, which we will observe in almost all the cases, and pin number 14 is connected with VCC. So without ground and VCC, your IC is not going to work. 7408 IC is a 2-input AND gate. Although we can have n inputs in any of the logic gate, but this IC is meant for only 2 input gates. So this is gate number 1. Pin number 1, pin number 2 input, pin number 3 output. Next is gate number 2. 4, 5 input, 6 output. Next we have the third gate. 10, 9 input, 8 output. I repeat, 10, 9 input, 8 output. So this is a very important point that you have to remember. And the last gate, gate number 4. 13, 12 input, 11 output. So this is the pin diagram of AND gate, that is 7408. Next is OR gate. The IC number 7432, that is a 2-input OR gate. And all the pin numbers are exactly same as I have just explained for AND gate. Starting from the notch, below notch pin number 1 till 7, then in anti-clockwise direction 8 till 14. Where 7 is connected with ground and 14 is connected with VCC. Again we have 1, 2 input, 3 output, 4, 5 input, 6 output, 10, 9 input, 8 output and 13, 12 input, 11 output. Hence with the help of a single IC we can design total 4 OR gates. The next pin diagram is now NOT gate, that is 7404. This is the IC number of NOT gate. In NOT gate, as you know that we can have only 1 input and 1 output. That is a mandatory condition. We cannot increase the input signals more than 1. So here comes the pin numbers. First 7 is ground, 14 VCC. Then we have 1 input, 2 output, 3 input, 4 output, 5 input, 6 output. Similarly 9 input, 8 output, 11 input, 10 output and 13 input and 12 output. Hence with the help of a single IC of NOT gate we are able to implement total 6 gates. That is gate number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the NOT gate IC diagram. So next we have 7400. This is the IC number of NAND gate. So once again this is again a 2-input NAND gate. But let me tell you one more thing, that you will be able to verify all these gates by using digital trainer kit, and you need to verify the truth tables of all these logic gates, and you can refer my previous video for the description of logic gates, and there you will be able to find the truth tables of all these gates which I am discussing right now. So here comes NAND gate, which is 7400. Once again exactly same pin diagram, starting from the notch. 1, 2 input, 3 output, 4, 5 input, 6 output. Then we have 10, 9 input, 8 output and 13, 12 input and 11 output. Next is XOR gate. XOR gate IC number 7486. So again in XOR gate 7 ground, 14 VCC. After that 1, 2 input, 3 output, 4, 5 input, 6 output, 10, 9 input, 8 output, and finally 13, 12 input and 11 output. So again, except NOT gate, in all the remaining pin diagrams that I have just discussed, with the help of a single IC you can implement total 4 gates, whereas in NOT gate IC 7404 we can implement total 6 NOT gates. So here comes the second exceptional IC diagram, that is NOR gate IC 7402. So you can compare the IC diagram of NOR gate with the all remaining gates as well. Earlier I have discussed 1, 2 input, 3 output, 4, 5 input, 6 output. But in the case of NOR gate, all the pin diagrams are in total reverse manner. So now 2, 3 input, 1 output, 5, 6 input, 4 output. Then we have 8, 9 input, 10 output, 11, 12 input and 13 output. So this is a very important point to remember, that in the NOR gate IC, the pin diagram is in the reverse order as I have discussed for the remaining gates. Okay, hence you will be able to verify NOR gate IC by connecting all such diagrams, all such pins in your digital trainer kit. Thank you so much.